Hey freaks, and welcome to another tutorial. So I want to show you how I created this look. I actually realized I said tutorial, but I didn't actually film me doing it because my hands were so full of blood and colors and all that stuff. It would have stained my phone, and my phone case is clear. Rest in peace. Anyway, so pretty much I will tell you exactly how I created this look. So if you see straight in the middle, the piece that I'm lifting up right now, I used scar wax. I rolled it into this exact shape like a long sausage, and then I rolled two more for the sides of the kind of cut. As you can see how that's sitting in the middle, that's floating in the middle. There's obviously two side walls built up, which that is sitting in. I'm just setting up my camera at the beginning, don't mind that. See how it's lifting up? That's giving the effect that the skin is kind of peeling off. Looking back, this is probably not the best kind of way that I could have done this, but hey, considering that this was one of my very first few SFX makeup looks that I've ever done, I'm going to give it to myself. It looks pretty good. Anyway, so pretty much that's it. Then on the bottom, to make sure that all the scar wax sticks, you use latex. Wait for it to dry. Or no, sorry, don't wait for it to dry. You wait for it to become kind of tacky and half wet, half dry. Then you stick your scar wax on top, blend a sister in, and there we go. You can peel it off, add your colors, add your blood. You want to add some deep colors inside so it looks kind of like a more deeper wound that's been cut more deeper, and then you add the lighter colors of blood around. Obviously you don't want to forget you're doing your bruising and all the other stuff as well. This is how it turns out. This is how it looks. The end, I did add some blood around my fingernail so it looks like my fingernail kind of got bruised and popped off. But that's it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for giving me 700 subscribers. I can't believe it. We are so close. Subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 700 guys together, and that's pretty much it. This is a little removal. I love you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.